Today meron tayong, my goodness. So today meron tayong i-react sa, okay guys, putang ina to. Oh shit. Alright. That's what I'm talking about. Bizdak Beats here. Today magre-react tayo sa bagong music video ng X Battalion Music. So meron silang lahat yata sila may nilabas yata na music video. Lahat sila, Flo G, Skusta Clee, Brando, MC Ren, King Badger, lahat. Ngayon i-react natin tong Make Her Dance ng X Battalion. So let's do this. Okay, so yun, mula ng pera. At totoong pera talaga siguro, no? Oh. Parang ano parang oh, wow. Grabe yung ano nila, no? Grabe yung mga babae nila, Brad. Oh. Akala ko bawal dito sa YouTube ng ganyan. Hindi ko parang bawal yata sa YouTube mga ganito nudity. Napansin ko meron silang mga like yung mga girls nila mga foreigner.
I don't wanna spend no money, but the booty's so fine. I really wanna see how nasty you go down on me. On God, you sexy. So go girl, let me spend bread for your pussy.
Oh, grabe. Napaka-wild. Napaka-wild. Tangina.
Let me see that.
Hindi ko naisip yung concept ng nung music video na to. Medyo parang lumilevel sila dun sa yung American style ng music video. Kasi most of the American music video ganito yung nila yung level ng concept ng video nila. Parang feeling ko yung parang hindi na lang nanonood yung mga tao hindi na lang nakikinig yung mga tao sa music, nag-aano na lang sila doon sa music video, tumitingin na lang sila.
I got the flow, I got the dough to make her dance. When I said stop, she make it slow. Love it when you do this dance. Tell me you want it, say you need it. Baby, no need to be shy. Baby, no need to.
Minsan niya may foreigner nga. Medyo, hindi ko alam kung half Pinoy ba yun or pure talaga na American.
You know you like it when you're mine. It's kind of abusive, like how I use it. Show me your ass, no need to ask. I'll make you dance without music. You sing the bills, keeps you moving.
Oh, shoosh. Grabe.
I make it rain, so make it dance. I think there's nothing confusing to see your ass up, face down. Booty got me going crazy. Cash on her ass, yeah. Baby mama can't resist, 'cause dance can make her dance. Can make her dance, yeah. Dance can make her dance. Can make her dance, yeah. Ass up, face down.
Grabe yung money rain nila, no? Grabe. Sheesh! Ibang klase yung music video nila. Napaka-wild. My God! Hindi ko na-expect yun Tang ina. Grabe. Laki ng nagastos nila dito. Meron pa silang ano, pera sa bag. Grabe. Yaman talaga ng X Battalion, no? Music video pa lang nila, million na to eh. Pero yung music naman, maganda naman yung music. Napaka, parang Usher style vibe siya. Chill na sexy vibe. Ganda ng ano, lalo na yung music video, ang ganda ng music video. Grabe. Hindi ko na-expect yun. Grabe. Sheesh.